I would like to share a couple of thoughts and updates on what's going on in manufacturing environment and how this is impacting the IT and technology vendors. And as you know, manufacturing was pretty much hit by the pandemic and by the pandemic's aftermath, right? So what we see is the still big uncertainty in supply chain, resulting in the lack of components. Notoriously known is the lack of the chipsets, right? Also, the prices of the raw materials components are skyrocketing. We see also the lack of the workforce across the Europe. And what's pretty much new is for many organizations is that the prices of the energy and of the gas are really rising significantly, right? And that's why organizations need to rethink their strategy a little bit, right? And let me share a couple of, let's say, of top 5 strategic business priorities of the manufacturing organizations. I will start with the high value customer experience as the number 1, right? And let me just share that for 59% investments in customer experience programs will be the top priority in the technology investment area. Then the next priority would be the green business, focusing or addressing the sustainability. And for 22% of the IDC survey respondents was the transition to the green business and sustainability requirements among the most impactful global trends that they have to face. The next priority would be ecosystem of innovation. The next one would be the new ways of working. By the way, for 23% of our IDC survey respondents, the workforce and would be among the most important business priorities, right? And the 5th one, that would be the smart operations, where the 76% of the respondents have investment plans related to the real-time supply chain intelligence and supply chain planning, right? But these are, let's say, the bigger priorities, right? But there's something also, some immediate activities which should be taken right now, and we call it 4R, for now. And I would start with the first one. That's about the rethinking the digital-based services to secure additional revenues, then redesigning the supply chain strategies. That should be focusing the ability to really, let's say, create even more resilient supply chain, then redesigning the products, right? So the product could be less dependent on the certain materials, certain components, and being also even, let's say, more sustainable, right? From a perspective of, for example, remanufacturing or recycling. And the 4th action or activity would be rethinking the energy management and the strategy, right? So just to summarize it, for the vendors, it's very important to understand these, let's say, broader strategies or the priorities, but also these, let's say, short-term strategies, right? To be really trusted and, let's say, relevant partner for the manufacturing organizations. With that, thank you for listening.